Imagine, finals week, and after 12 hours in the library, you just want to get home. You get to your bike, but the chain's broken. What do? You Buop it. Imagine, GPS locator, extensive network of local bicycle technicians, and automated payment all in one mobile app. We bring to you Buop. Imagine immediate help with any bicycle repair or replacement right to your location. It's as easy as calling an Uber and reliable as AAA. Don't worry, Buop is here, and we'll help.
Hi everybody, we are the team of Buop. My name is Connor Satterfield. To my right,
Tanner.
and to my left,
Sierra.
And so we're just going to tell you a little bit about our product. Basically what we see Buop is a bicycle support for the everyday cyclist. And so our vision for that is basically AAA/Uber for bikes.
So going into that, we've got three of our most valued features, I would say. So we do a GPS locator, so it comes directly to you. We also have automated payment, so easy to use. You don't need any credit cards or cash on you. You can do it whenever you want, as long as you have your information stored in your phone. And then also our third one is just our bicycle technicians. So we're going to be gathering a whole network from all the local bicycle shops just to have a really well-experienced and most knowledgeable bike assistants coming to you.
It's just going to be different than anything else on the market right now because there are some smaller companies that offer nationwide bike assistance, but not like we do it. It's all going to be simple, easy to use on your phone, just revolutionary for people people on college campuses and commuter cities to use right now.
And so some actually fun facts about the biking industry. The reason why we see this kind of market as opening is actually a 46%, there's actually a 46% increase in the average people commuting around the U.S. nationwide. So that's a significant amount if you look at the millions of people that do live here. And so as we see this building, we see a huge potential for our market here. And so what we're starting out with is kind of starting small scale, and we're testing it out actually here at Chapman.
Yeah, and so from then we'll just validate our market by starting on college campuses that are very bike friendly, and from there expanding into very bike friendly cities, and then from there just keep moving up and up until we get to a global level.
Yeah, our goal is to eventually be accessible all around the world, just like Uber has really grown. It's just going to be nice and simple, easy to use, and it's just going to be really revolutionary. For our whole team, we really work well together just because we all provide something different. Sierra kind of works as our visionary. She came up with the idea. I'm pretty good with making it all happen, like the whole
Technical aspect.
aspect, and then Connor brings it all together.
Yeah.
We like to say that teamwork makes the dream work. So far that's really been the key to our success.
Yeah.
Yep. As we grow, we're going to continue to add people who are really invested in the bike world or just the entrepreneurial world. George Hincapie, maybe possibly friends of Lance Armstrong, and then also people who are just trying to expand the entrepreneurs' different products and create new products. And so we have Shan right now, and we're trying to work on getting a few more as we grow.
And
Yeah.
so,
Sorry.
I was going to say, and so kind of with the way our business model works right now is that we're actually teaming up with bike shops. So we automatically get those bike technicians, the people that have run their families, their experience, automatically bring down in the fold because that's who we are partnering with, and they're the ones kind of taking care of the actual work there down there on the floor. So
We've also got a lot of help from our peers. We've got a lot of peer advisors who are working on their own entrepreneurial enterprises right now, and they're just going through the experience and helping us along the way with anything that we might come across the same problems, or just helping us with our network and expanding.
Right.
And we can't say enough really about the Launch Labs, the team that's given to us with Grace, Jordan, and who's the other kid? Jason.
Yep.
Grace, Jordan, and Jason. They've been a real help, especially as they work on their own. They kind of bring more experience to this aspect as well.
That's right.
So it's been very helpful having them around as well.
So we have a lot of good external resources as well. I think the biggest one right now is social media. It's a great marketing tool to help us expand this and get out there really quickly and go viral. Another external resource is just this movement of wanting to be more eco-friendly and cutting down on our emissions and waste. And so everyone wants to be more proactive and maybe ride a bike to work instead of taking your car every day. And just overall that movement towards a better, more sustainable Earth just helps us.
Save the planet.
It's the revolution that actually, like Sarah said, people are just moving towards, and so if we can take advantage of that, it'll really work out in our favor.
Yeah.
Right now, we're still in the development phase of our product, but eventually, like we said, we'll monetize it by having a small fee on top of what the bike technician is paid. We're gonna have a small fee on top of us that will get paid to us.
Yeah, and also a percentage of the.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So a percentage of basically the cost per fix ranges for what the fix is really, and so we'll take a percentage of that plus I think it's like $1 to $2 fee for their total charge, and then the bike technician gets to keep the rest of it.
Yeah, because we do want to have a good relationship with our bike technicians, making sure they're getting paid fairly and justly, just so that we can create a good relationship with them and continue to grow and expand.
And they're making enough of a profit to want to keep working with us. So for our major revenue streams, besides our bike technicians, we're also thinking about partnering with insurance companies later down the line. It would just be a way to keep expanding the name and maybe offer some benefits to people who are already a part of like AAA. We would say is one of the insurance companies we'd like to match up with, and then just after that, just growing to a global market.
Yeah, and so just to kind of build on what Sierra said, actually we have some facts that says that bicycle commuting in Portland, Oregon has grown by 408%. In San Francisco, it's grown by 301%. So you could see the amount of people that are now riding bikes. It's only going to get only going to grow. And so as that continues, that means more and more people are going to be using their bikes, which means potential revenue streams are going to be very high.
Right now, our MVP is pretty small. It's just the basic app that connects you with a local bike technician, and they come and fix your product or your bike, and you just pay through that app. But eventually, we're gonna grow our product into a multinational product that can reach anyone around the globe.
Yeah.
And so far, like I said, we are starting at Chapman, and so we're starting small here just because this is a great place to do it. Orange is very bicycle friendly. A lot of people commute to campus, so it's been a good start here just to start small scale. But the way we see it as we continue to grow, like other people, like my partners have said, is we're gonna go to other college campuses and then see how it works out, the traction there. So we were thinking somewhere along the lines like Stanford, UCSB, very bicycle friendly campuses. And as soon as that happens, basically going to continue to spread to other campuses, and eventually we'd like to expand to cities and then nationwide.
How are you gathering intel on current and emerging competitors?
Well, right now we've done a lot of research basically to start off in the actual bicycling commuting field, I guess. And we've actually seen that in the US there's been a growth over the past year, about 350% of more use of bicycles actually on an everyday basis. And so based upon that, we've decided, kind of move into this area where it's kind of nebulous right now because there's not really any one particular person that offers a service like we're trying to bring into the forefront here. So you could say there are competitors because, you could just walk into a bicycle shop, but we're trying to bring the bicycle shop to you to make it more convenient so you don't have to take that extra mile to get there to get the service fixed, where instead they'll come to you. So right now, we're kind of looking like a first mover into an industry that has been around for a while, but definitely doesn't have this type of support. What is your analysis of leading competitors on priority criteria?
Right now, there's some competitors who are doing something similar to what we're doing, but they're not doing what we're doing. We're going to offer a new service that is just very viable. It has a lot of different features and includes everything from GPS locators to ease of the app and everything in between. It's just going to be really simple, really easy. How will you anticipate and respond to current and future competitors?
I think the best way to approach your competitors is just to be very knowledgeable about it and just know what they're up to and know what you're going to do and always stay one step ahead. Just be the fastest, be the easiest, be the most reliable, and always be true to your core competencies and staying right in the price range, and just overall being building a good company and having that rapid growth and the rapid expansion, and it'll just knock anyone out of the water.